Okay, I'm going to make the four-pointed star with alternating blue and white points. I'm first going to start by drawing out some guidelines right in the middle of my canvas, which is square. And then I'm going to use the rectangle tool to make equal sides for more guides. So this is just drawing for the outside points. I'll bring the guides down just to mark where I want the star to be. And then I'll get rid of that because I don't need that. And then I'll make another one for the inside points, holding Shift-Alt to make it go from the center and make it proportional. So say something about that. And then make more guides down to that square. Like so. Get rid of that shape. So, and then I'm going to use the pen tool and create the blue diamond. So to start at the top, there, so. All right, and now I'm going to make the white parts of the diamond, but I'm going to start with the blue, otherwise it's going to change my other star white. So I'm just going to start above the point, click on the guide, down to the center, out to this inside point, out a little bit just to make sure the edge is covered, and then back up, and then I'll change that to white. Okay, and then I'm going to transform that. I'm going to take the transform point, move it down to the center, down here, change this to 90 degrees, and say enter. Now to duplicate these 3 more times, I'm going to use Control, Alt, Shift, T, and that will just both make a copy and transform at the same time. Super easy. Then I'm going to go over here, holding Alt, and click between the shape and the star, and that flips the shape, the white to the blue, and you got your finished product. And that's it.